Welcome to Kadala Kinare Charana. It is day 2 of the beach trek and we shall be sailing down the Sharavathi river today. But before that, a quick visit to the Anjaneya Swamy Temple we've been staying at. These are the rooms we stayed in, all 120 trekkers. Video it is. This is our first spot for the day, Haigunda Island.
ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ಕಾರ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ಕಾರ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ಕಾರ
ಏನು ತರಬಾರ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ದುಂಬಿಕ್ಕಿ ಹರಿಯುವ ಜಲಧಾರೆಯಲ್ಲೋ ದುಂಬಿಯ ಹಾಡಿನ ಜೇಂಕಾರದಲ್ಲೋ ಗಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಮ್ಮಿರುವ ಹೊಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲೋ ಒಮ್ಮಿರುವ ಹೊಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲೋ ವಿನಾ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ಕಾರ.
And now, after a short climb, we are at the peak of Haigunda Island. Man, what a beautiful view! Amazing place for pictures too.
ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Yes.
Now that's enough of Haigunda Island. Let's sail for our next spot, the Heggara venkataramanna Swamy Temple.
ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ
It is here that we had our lunch before proceeding to our camp for the night at Go Green Resort grounds. And here is our camp for the next 2 nights, Go Green Resort grounds. And there is some delicious pani puri. As always, we can't forget food, right? Let's enjoy this beautiful sunset before we start singing and dancing to end this day. If you want to see day 1, click right here and make sure you subscribe to see the rest of this trek.